Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. There's a lot of different options when it comes to throw blankets, but believe me, once you see how fluffy and soft this gorgeous one is from Ailemei, you will want to give this one out to everybody you know and keep one for yourself. This blanket is made out of a beautiful fuzzy knit material. It definitely feels like teddy bear quality because it's so soft and squishy. Once I received it in the mail, I put it in the dryer, which fluffed it up so well. And you can see up close, it's just warm and inviting. This is made out of a somewhat thick material, but also thin. So I could definitely see using this in air conditioning and it would be perfect. Whether you're using it as a blanket for your bed or in a chair, it just makes sitting down and watching TV or having a coffee so enjoyable to have this beautiful blanket. This is the sand color, which is also really nice because it's super neutral. It's a warm and really creamy vanilla-like color that would be perfect for giving out to anyone if you don't know what their color scheme is. You will really be so satisfied and happy with this blanket. I can guarantee you'll want one for yourself and to give one as a gift. But that's just my point of view.